Hi, so this is just a quick video on how to create a spring rotation plan using the PBI app. So if we click on the PBI icon here, I just log in into a demonstration farm. You can see that I suppose the app isn't up to date, or the information on the app isn't up to date. We can see that the cover data and the grazed cut silage options are grayed out, so we'll just click on synchronize. So we're pulling down the information from the website onto the app. We can see that the fertilizer option there is red. That just symbolizes that no fertilizer has been recorded in 2022 yet. So this video here, we'll just go into the rotation planners, active spring rotation plan. We can see we have one there already for 2021, so last year's plan. If we click on add new, so do I want to replace the existing one? Yes. We'll go say to that. Spring plan 2022, the 5th of February 2022 was the start date. So when did I start grazing? I actually started grazing just a couple of days before that. And the end date, or when do you want to finish the first round, we'll just push that out until the 7th of April. So I can just click on done there. The farm area in hectares is 19.2. If I click on this icon here, it'll just give me a list of the paddocks which are on the farm, and if there is any of these paddocks not available for grazing in the first round, you can just untick them there. So we'll just leave them all being active, and we just click on done. So once you've that information put in, you can click on save, and then you can see the spring rotation plan here is broken down into, I suppose, the weeks for the first rotation. So the start date is the 1st February, the end date then is the 4th of April. So it goes in weeks. So I suppose if you start on a Monday, you'll be finishing on a Sunday. So the first week there is the 1st of February to the 7th. Area hectares to be grazed, or the target hectares grazed per day is 0.16 hectares, and the target hectares grazed per week is 1.1 hectares. That's equivalent into a target of 6% of the farm to be grazed in the first week. And if we move down into the second week, then the 8th of February to the 14th, we can see that our target there is 12% grazed. So I suppose that is setting up the active spring rotation plan. Then I suppose the important thing is to record graze dates as they happen. So we're back in the home screen, click on graze cut silage, add new. So you can go in here, add paddock 1. It was grazed in the first week of February, grazed on the 4th. Click done. You can put in the pre-grazing yield here as well if you wish. I'll just click on save. And we also grazed paddock 2 there a couple of days ago. Click on 2, and again just change the date back to when it was grazed. So when the livestock left the paddock, the 11th of February, click on save. So they're the 2 graze dates put in. So we'll just go in then back into the rotation plans, active spring rotation plan. And we can see here then that our planner is after updating. So you can see our target for the first week was 6% grazed. We actually grazed 9%, 1.77 hectares. And on week 2, the target was 12%, and we actually grazed 13%. So I suppose it's important, I suppose, that if you want to keep your spring rotation planner up to date, keep recording your grazings, and your spring rotation planner will update automatically. So I suppose the final step then would be just to synchronize the data. So the spring rotation plan and the 2 graze dates will be saved onto the website. So if you have any more queries or questions on the spring rotation plan, you can contact our help centre at support@pbi.ie. Thank you.